Hello, good evening, everybody. Hope we're fine. Anyway, based on what we're should I call it debates or what we are conversing on? Once again, I want to say categorically that pest control is not the same as cleaning. They are different professions. Fortunately, they go hand in hand. Unfortunately, so over time, we realize that companies, but in Nigeria today, we have companies that have decided to stay on one lane. Some decide to just, stay with cleaning and leave anything that has to do with pest control. Some decide to stay, So when we're talking about which one that is this one has this one has that, I think it boils down to passion, what we really love doing. And that is one of the things that we always open our training sessions with. Are you really passionate about this? My experience in organizing seminars since 2014, I can tell you that less than 40%, or let's say 40% of participants I've met within then and now are really doing very well. Not because the training was not, good enough, but a lot of time people try things 1, 2, 3 months, they get away from it. So we incorporated in year 2000 as Rotima's Cleaning Multi-Services, which means we actually wanted to focus more on cleaning. Today we don't do cleaning again. The only cleaning we do is retainership. I think we have cleaners in Forever Living, in La Sena. We don't do post construction, we don't do house cleaning, and the reasons are very simple. We have scrubbing machine here in our office, but we don't use them for commercial. We just use them for the office once in a while. If you call us for a cleaning job tomorrow, we prefer to outsource it. The reasons are very simple. One, competition in less pest control is not as stiff as what is obtainable in the cleaning, because before you can practice pest control you need license, but in the other industry you don't need license to practice. I can confirm this to you. You don't need license, and that is why every building you see that is under construction, they receive, I'm not saying there's no competition in pest control. Pest control has its own issues, but it's not a profession of Tom, Dick and Harry. It's not what everybody can just jump into. So I can confirm that to you. 2, exposure to health hazards. In pest control, like somebody said, more money, more, but I don't really believe. We've been doing this for almost 10 years now. 10, 11 years, just 10 years plus. And we are still alive, and we're not dying anytime soon. It's basically about understanding health and safety as regards to the industry. You understand? Know what you need to. Up to now, I still see people even on Instagram with t-shirts, with dust mask, advertising pest control services. When you are fully kitted, trust me, you are safe. So the issue of you catch death is not. If it's that how people are dying, I'm not sure anybody will be alive again. At least I have people here that I look up to that I can tell you. One of our facilitators has spent over 30 years in the industry, and I have people that have 2 decades, and they are kicking. Profit margin in the pest control can never be compared to that of the cleaning industry. I'm not saying you should leave cleaning. I'm just telling you what I've, the reasons why I personally said no. Because apart from passion, the end point is that we all want to make money. If I can confirm to you that the running cost of any pest control project can never be more than 20 to 30% of the actual overall project cost. In cleaning, if you are not careful, you will even use your money. Cleaning is the only job. Cleaning, number 3. Okay, now before I go to number 3, in cleaning services, you need experienced hands to shine. You need, cleaners that are in pest control. You may not really need much of experience of the technicians. So far, the MD knows composition, mixing formula, and application. I can mix something for someone that's never done pest control before. Just go in there and I'll tell you where and where you should point to. Trust me, cockroaches will die. Are you getting me? So that's another thing. But in cleaning, if you have 10 guys, if they don't all know how to handle mop, they will mess you up. Experience is very key in cleaning. What that means is that the quality of job lies solely on the guys on the field. On the other way around, it lies on the MD or the manager or the operations manager or thereabouts. The stress level in cleaning. In pest control, you need less than 20 minutes to fumigate a duplex. In fact, if you're using a fogging machine, you can use less than 10 minutes and it will still be effective. Yes, I say it. 10-15 minutes you are done with a 5 standard bedroom duplex with BQ, except you are using except you are using manual sprayer, and the job will still be effective. But you can clean a 5-bedroom duplex for 3 days and the customer will still come and point to a dust on the window. When we're doing cleaning, sometimes I remember when sometimes you will have done a job and they say, come back, this place is not clean, you come back there. You can be 5 days on the building and you are not getting it done yet. So trust me, every job is stressful. Pest control is also stressful, but the stress of cleaning, those are there. Well done. 4, retainership opportunities. In cleaning, the only opportunity that you have for retainership is when you outsource cleaners, and it's not lucrative. I know a lot of people that might be on this good are doing it. When you outsource 10-15 cleaners for a company, you make 1 million naira in a month from that. No, it's not lucrative. In pest control, you can run a project of 1 million naira in 30 minutes, in 1 hour. Yes, if you doubt me, I have receipts to back this claim up. And like I said, it's more hazardous, but trust me, if you know your onions, you don't get to think so much about the health hazards. As of today, fumigation is still the most globally accepted pest control strategy in any part of the world. Are you getting me? So, number 4, which is very important, very, 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 very important, equipment. There are some cleaning equipment that you cannot easily get to rent. If you don't have money, you can start a pest control. If you don't have startup funds, you can start a pest control business. You can start a pest control business with any amount. You can start without any equipment. Equipment are very affordable to acquire and also easy. You can rent them. But if you want to clean an RIs, and it needs this cradle that they use on all this frontal glass, it's not something that you can just get by the roadside easily. So to me, I think I've seen marble restoring machine that cost over 2 million naira. I don't know any pest control equipment apart from the vehicular mounted foggers, which I've not seen anybody, maybe 1% or 2% has in the country. I don't see any pest control machine that is over 1 million naira. The most expensive is the fogging machine that I know, the German, yeah. So those are the reasons we put all these things together. I would say, guys, we don't need to be wasting our time. Let's put our energy into what we think pays us more, and that is where we are today. And like I said, licensing alone is not just the technicalities in the industry. Does not make every Tom, Dick, and Harry to say they want. Yes, we have a lot of guys on the roadside, but they are limited to where they can get to. They cannot compete with you at a particular level. So, by what I've said, I think I've been able to convince or confuse you, and I've come to the end of the debate by saying pest control is better than cleaning services. Maybe in my own context, you can prove me wrong. Thank you, co-debaters. Thank you, timekeepers.